Hello, I'm Anita. I'm a rehabilitation and Ayurvedic doctor. I continue to talk about how to be healthy, happy, slim and strong, regardless of age. Adjusting the weight requires daily work. Exercise is a must, but it's not easy for everyone to start. Much is determined by the type of dosha, its metabolism and agony or digestive fire. Vata dosha starts to act energetically, but in the long run may not be able to withstand the load. Pitta dosha easiest to lose weight. It is determined by Pitta dosha metabolism and agni, which is active. Vata dosha agni is variable. It's difficult to gain weight. Kapha dosha metabolism and agni both are slow, just like Kapha herself. If it's difficult to start exercising, you can start with walks. But walking shoes should be ergonomic with supinators. This reduces the load on the various joints. I walk every day and do exercise. Usually my shoes are with supinators or ergonomic. Walking can get to know nature better and gain aesthetic pleasure. When I walk, my shoes are sport shoes or Gabber comfort shoes. And now we begin. Lying on your back, knees bent, feet supported. Hands on the abdomen. Inhale through the nose, then exhale through the mouth. Grasp the exercise mat with your fingers and release it 3 times. With your right foot on the mat, draw a circle. 5 times to the right, 5 times to the left. With the left foot, 5 on the left, 5 on the right. Diaphragmatic breathing twice. Put the right knee to the abdomen and cover with both hands it. Hold this position for 5 seconds. Then in starting position. With the left knee, do same with the right knee. Perform 5 times with each leg. Again, diaphragmatic breathing twice. The elbows bent U-shaped on the support surface. Turn your head to the right, knees bent to the left. Then head to the left, knees to the right. Repeat 5 times on each side. Wrists on the clavicle. Inhale 2 seconds, exhale 4 seconds. Legs bent in the knees. The right knee rests on the left leg. The left wrist on the right knee. The right arm is extended straight up. The left knee rests on the right leg. The right wrist on the left knee. The left arm is extended straight up. Repeat 3 times on each side. Diaphragmatic breathing twice. Arms parallel to the body, we rotate it inwards and outwards 3 times. Hands on your waist, knees bent. Rotate the right leg in the hip joint outwards and 3 times inwards, then 3 times the left leg. Rotate it in the hip joint. Diaphragmatic breathing twice. Hands bent at the elbows, upper arms parallel to the chest. The forearms slide up the support surface, then the palms reach the head. Then the upper arms slide down until are parallel to the chest. Palms joint, bringing them closer to the chest, elbows bent. Then palms away from yourself, elbows straightened. Repeat 5 times. Forearms together, parallel above the chest. Elbow leading, sliding down to the navel. The forearm slides up to the head. The elbow slide down parallel to the chest in the starting position. Forearms above the chest parallel. The wrists perform resistance. Elbows bent, forearms moved to support surface and back to the starting position. The arms rotate inwards and outwards. And so the first part of the daily exercises completed. I hope they aren't difficult. And what about me? I had to teach the exercise for the first time in English. learn English. It's probably not the easiest way, but I try. If I do one activity, one exercise more, I train my physical and mental strength. In conclusion, walking and exercise help regulate weight, lower blood sugar and cholesterol, and calm down too. Walking gives us aesthetic pleasure, exercising, the joy of our body movements. That's not all. There will be several more parts. So see you again.